Okay, Gary's excited. Let's see the excitement. Let's see, we're still looking.
Okay.
What did he get in the box? He ordered it online. Actually, I did, but he told me what to order. Let's see if it's dead or alive. Is it still breathing? Okay, the box is empty now. Let's see. Waits with anticipation. It's been in a hot truck all day. It's been like almost 100 today. Well, it's still alive.
Still alive? Yes, it's very hot, and I'll get it straight into water.
Okay, now we should tell them what it is, even though you'll probably end up doing the whole video telling them what it is.
Yeah, it looks...
First of all, before you tell them what it is, how did the person wrap it? That's very good. I'm going to zoom in on that. Looks like they wrapped it in wet newspaper.
Yes, wet newspaper. Looks like celery.
Okay.
Smells more like pond water though.
It looks like celery and smells like pond water. Look at that. You know, that's not bad considering it's,
It took a detour, yes.
It took a detour, went to the wrong post office because the zips were so close. Sat there for a day in the heat. At least it was cool, I hope, inside. But it was on his truck for at least 6 hours on his truck till it got here. All in all, it looks pretty good just because it's got some yellow. How many did he send you?
8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12.
What did we order? 10?
10, I guess.
Okay, so he sent 2 extras.
Yeah.
Look at this. Our friend's excited too that you're getting it because he told me that the fish store that sells, I should say tropical fish store that sells pond stuff, you know, plants and equipment. What did he tell me? They sell these things for $16 to $22 a piece.
For the different, there's a couple of different color varieties. We just got the green. But there's a couple of variations and they sell the variations.
We still haven't even told anybody what it is. They probably don't even care. But you do.
Yeah, I care. Well, this is for my pond. This is water celery.
Water celery. So here it is. I'll put a link if anybody's interested. He had free shipping and he did a good job. And there it is. It is water celery plants. And like I said, he had free shipping. So it's for the pond, it's for the fish that are eating the mosquitoes, but this is edible. So now we can grow something in the pond that if we're starving, we could take it from the pond and eat it. We could eat it no matter what.
Yeah, we could eat it no matter what.
Is this a food that people actually buy and eat?
Yes, it is. The Koreans eat it. I know that. I looked it up online. There's a couple of cultures that eat it. It's not related to celery, but you can treat it like celery, and you can use it in a lot of different recipes. But I believe it could be called Korean water celery. There's a few other names for it as well.
Now, I don't know if it's true, but my friend that sells the pond plants, he said the reason they call it celery is because the leaves look similar.
Yes.
Is that true? It's not related to celery in any way, is it?
No.
He said it looks similar. Okay, so now this goes into the pond. Today?
Today, yep. Right away.
So it doesn't have to go in a pot of water to soak the roots or anything, just straight into the pond.
I've already got the pot set up and situated in the pond already.
Oh, this gets planted in soil?
In soil, yep.
Okay, let's step back. Okay, so this gets planted in soil and then it's submerged into the pond.
Yep.
Oh, cool. Okay, the next step is the pond. So Gary told me that he got some pots, flower pots. He put a layer of rocks and gravel on the bottom. Then he put in some native soil, some clay, and then he topped it with rocks. And as you saw, he is sticking them in with holes to stick the plant in to the pots. And then the pots were sat in the pond on bricks, so they're in the water and a little bit out. So we'll see what happens later. This is his project, not mine. Wave to the camera, Gary. So with that, I guess I'm done spying on Gary, and he'll have his video up soon, I'm assuming, or 6 months, whenever. Have a great day, and don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye, everybody.